Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Want to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video. And guess what? We'll talk. Well, hey family, happy Monday. This is Darlene stopping by real quick. I am working on earrings for my fair store. So I have a lot of lava beads, black lava beads here in the container. This container was a gift. And I think it was from Miss Teresa. I think Miss Teresa sent me this. So you can see I have a lot of black lava beads that I could work with. I got some gold beads here, some silver beads here. And I am going to make as many of the black and gold wavy earrings as I possibly can to put on the in the fair store. So around New Year's, you know, people wear a lot of black and gold. Like for the New Year's, like a lot of gold, a lot of black, you know, like ivory color and that type of thing, right? And then plus the holidays are coming. So people do begin to start buying in November and all the way through right after, what is it, Black Friday? So people start shopping then, and they really don't stop shopping until, you know, after the new year hits, you know, because they buying a bunch of stuff and then they taking a bunch of stuff back after Christmas, and then they buying some more stuff for New Year's and all that good stuff. So I'm trying to get the store all populated, not just my fair.com store, but 2 other websites where I sell at. And on one of the websites where I sell at, gold and black sells like that. I mean, that stuff be gone just like that. So I'm going to make as many of these as I possibly can. And then what's going to happen is I'm going to probably, well, I know that I'll have to match some other 8 millimeter beads with some of these black lava beads, because of course you could tell I have more lavas than I have with these beads right here. So I'll end up with probably 4 or 5 of these, because you only have 2 of these right here. So I'll match these lavas with some other beads, and then that way I can come up with some other cases, earring cases. And I think I'm going to put anywhere between 6 and 8 pair of earrings per case when I put them on fair.com. So, and then my goal is to have everything on the fair store before Friday, because on Friday I'll start sending out the emails, you know, to previous customers, and then, you know, like all my email lists. So on every Friday, that's what I'm going to do. But my goal is to make sure that I got new inventory all this week. And no sooner than I make what I make, take the pictures and then upload it. That's a chore for me. I hate taking the pictures. I hate doing the uploads. I hate doing all that stuff, but it absolutely positively has to be done. And I think it's because it takes so much to do it. It takes so much to take pictures and then upload and then descriptions. And even if you're using some type of assisted software to write descriptions and stuff like that, like Chat GPT or something, even with that, you got to kind of manipulate and revise it and do that kind of stuff, because it don't always come out exactly what you want it to say. So there is a little bit of a revising that takes place even when you're doing that type of thing, right? And the pictures always have to come out perfect, because remember, I sell my pictures after I take the pictures and post them on the different websites where I'm selling the product. So I'm selling the product, and I'm also selling pictures of my product. So I can't just take any kind of picture. The pictures have to look really nice so that I could be able to sell the pictures too, right? And that's what I'm working on today. So I'm hoping and praying that all this week is a very productive, a very full week of inventory for not just fair, but also for my other platforms, and also my website at jbbdk.com. And then I'm working on some other stuff too. So, but today is just all about earrings. It's all about whatever I make, so I could take the pictures and upload that stuff. But anyway, I'm a little chatty. And then guess what? Here's the music, and we will talk.
Velvet skies in the morning glow, whispered secrets only we know. The city hums but moves so slow. Your touch a rhythm, soft and sweet, pulling me in where the heart beats me. Velvet waves, they carry me through the tide to where we're free. Velvet waves, oh can't you see, this love's a song. Breaks through. Every step feels brand new. Drifting deeper, the current's kind, a place where body leaves the mind. Velvet waves, we're intertwined. Velvet waves, they carry me through the tide to where we're free. Velvet waves, oh can't you see, this love's a song, a melody.
Street lights hum like a broken choir. Concrete dreams build and retire. Shadows dance on the alley's breath. Every step closer, every step to death. City whispers, city screams. Nothing's ever what it seems. Skyline cuts like a jagged seam. City whispers, city screams. Steam rising from a subway grate. Time ticks louder when you're late. Graffiti prayers on crumbling walls. Hope's a bird that rarely calls. Neon signs bleed, the colors fight. Lost souls wander in the night. City whispers, city screams. Whoa! Nothing's ever what it seems. Skyline cuts like a jagged seam. City whispers, city screams. Whoa! Yeah, man on the corner, selling lost time. Help! Woman in the window, framed in grime. Hiss by like snakes in the rain. The city's alive, but it feels insane. Whoa!
Okay, so I know you guys don't want to see me just keep making these. So what I'm going to do is turn the camera off. I'm going to go ahead and make as many of these as I possibly can. You can see how cute they look. Very elegant. There's something about gold and black that just looks really good together. So these are, I should be able to get a nice amount of these. I want to say maybe about 10 to 15 pair, either with the gold, and maybe 15 pair with the silver. So I'm going to do them both like this. And I got some silver wire down here. I think I'll come back and do a video showing with the silver wire too, with those silver beads and black. But these are the dangles for right now. And these are actual fair.com inventory in my store. And I will have these up by the end of the day, but I'm not sending the email out, like I said, until Friday.